Hi friend, my name is Ajay Singh and welcome to Luxury Homes channel. I am going to show you today is luxury builder floors in diplomatic area. This one is brand new apartment. It is a private lift which is connected to every floor. This one is a strict car parking. Every floor 2 car parking inside. This one is parking and also separate gate every floor. Total 4 floors are built. So let's go inside. So today I want to show you third floor B terrace. So its selling price 11 CR. Inside is so beautiful apartment. This is a lift. This is the main gate to go inside the floor. So let's go. This one is living area, very big space, and also natural light is coming, and AC also hot and cool. This one is attached guest bedroom, also attached bathroom. Bathroom is absolutely modular. As you can see, everything inside is fitted. This one is attached balcony. Big size balcony. This one is guest toilet. $25-liter geyser, and this is a kitchen. Kitchen also modular. AC also hot and cool. This one is AC. Kitchen is also good size. If you buy this apartment, you will pay 11 crore. Because terrace is also attached this floor. Exclusive terrace, not coming anyone. This is a dining space. AC also hot and cool. Second bedroom of this floor. Also attached almirah and bathrooms. So let's go other one. This is another bedrooms. This one is master bedroom. Also attached balcony. So this one is fourth bedrooms, this floor. Now you can see how well the natural light is coming in it without lighting. So friend, now I am going to show you in the terrace, and now we can see how it is made. So beautiful terrace of this floor. So let's go. If you have any requirements, please tell me. I have so many options available.
हाँ मैं सब देता हूँ.
Rent and sale also. all South Delhi. So guys, I have property available in every budget for rent and sale. So if you have any requirement, please tell me. And I hope this one is living area, very bigger space. So I hope you and your family are safe. So you can see natural light is very good. So let's go on the terrace. So guys, lift that come up to the terrace. This one is lift on the terrace. So let's go. I will show you terrace. This terrace is only for the third floor. You can see very good terrace and also a small bar. This one is pantry on the roof. Then over you have a party. It is made according. So this one is pantry and also attached bathrooms. You can make this roof more beautiful if you want. So you can put artificial grass on real grass on it. So this one is a small bar.
लाइट को मतलब देखने से भी नहीं विश्वास होता है.
The entire roof also has LED lights. Looks so beautiful at the night. So guys, please, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Outside your building, how can see how is green. So beautiful place. आप देख सकते हैं कितना हरा भरा है बिल्कुल, और बहुत ही खूबसूरत है और बहुत ही सिक्योर लोकेशन है ये. तो अगर आप किसी का कोई रिक्वायरमेंट हो खरीदने के लिए या रेंट पे लेना चाहते हैं तो आप ज़रूर मुझसे संपर्क कर सकते हो. आप देख सकते हैं कितना अच्छा खूबसूरत इसका टेरेस बनाया हुआ है, जो कि टेरेस सिर्फ और सिर्फ